Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video on utility coins, guys. I've brought yet another Realio coin video for you guys. We haven't discussed Realio in a while. I made a video on Realio back in September, I think. So if you're interested in that, to go check that out as well. But while I was seeing Realio tearing the charts, I decided to make yet another video on it. So stay tuned. This is going to be an interesting one. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see which coins we usually discuss. We discuss these as well as other potential gems as well. So if you're interested, subscribe for regular videos. So guys, when I initially found out about Realio, it was a while back and it was extremely undervalued. I think it was around 0.028 and now it is I think priced at around $0.44. So guys, it has done more than a 10x since the time I found it, and the narrative surrounding it was more than real world asset at that time. It was real estate, that it is going to be a platform that is going to be tokenizing real estate, and supplementary and other real world assets are going to be a part and parcel of it. But primarily I was always hearing that Realio is basically surrounding itself around real estate. So guys, first and foremost, let me tell you this, that in all honesty, real estate is the most difficult uh, asset to tokenize, in my opinion. There are other assets as well, like art or other commodities. I think those might be much easier to tokenize than real estate, because real estate is one of the most complex assets in the world, and it is really illiquid. Wherever you are in the world, and if you worked in a real estate in the industry or a market, you guys know what troubles real estate bring, and there are a lot of parties involved, like regulators. There are other parties, multi-party signatories, contracts. There is a lot of complex process that goes through in the real estate market. So this is why I think real estate, first and foremost, is going to be a bit difficult to tokenize. But if any coin can do it, in my opinion, that coin is Relio, or that project is Relio, because I really see a potential in it, because it has got an experienced team, and it is working on real estate tokenization long before this narrative has picked up recently, after BlackRock has basically propounded or posited about it. The narrative just picked up, but Relio has been building a layer one blockchain and a platform since a very long time. It was extremely undervalued because they were building a blockchain, a platform, and it coincided with the time when this narrative picked up and their platform or their layer one was close to completion, guys. So let me put this out there, that real estate tokenization is going to be complex. Why is that so? Now, I found this article, guys. If you're interested, check out the details as well. The details are going to be a bit boring, so we're not going to be diving in too deeply in it. I'm just going to be skimming around what is tokenization of real estate. So this article tells us a bit about what tokenization of real estate is. Basically, it is the process of fragmenting an asset into digital tokens. Obviously, like that asset is going to be fractionalized in various tokens, and this it works similarly to the crowdfunding process, where an asset is partitioned into small fractions with the help of a smart contract, an automated piece of code residing on a blockchain. So basically, anyone who buys or owns the token owns a part of the real estate. So there are going to be a lot of owners. So it gives the opportunity to a small investors as well to invest in real estate, because it is an extremely illiquid and expensive asset. So not anyone can hold the entire pie. So basically, it is like dividing the pie into pieces, and then you get the slice of the pie. Yeah, these are the fractional slices. Check this out. So it is going to be making it more affordable, liquid, and trade is going to be built around it, and REALIO Network is going to be giving that platforms for uh, the trade and investments to take place with regulatory compliance, guys. So that is the aim, at least. So why is it this article further tells us why is it good to tokenize real estate, better liquidity, opportunity for small scale investors, a free flowing market, decrease in counterparty risk, limitations of real estate tokenized assets, guys. So I told you guys it is a complex licensing, it would require complex licensing, and there are going to be a bit obviously vulnerabilities with the smart contract. So yeah, it can happen, hacks and whatnot. So these are a few issues, but obviously that those can be worked around. But the regulatory issues are going to be a problem. The complexities are going to be a problem. But guys, if anyone can do it, the road ahead belongs to Realio Network, guys. In my opinion, it is in a well placed position to build on this narrative because it has been working since a long time. Let me show. This is a chart that is extremely bullish and tearing stuff out. It is up almost. It was up, I think, 35% for the day when I saw it before making this video, guys. So if you look at the 7-day chart, yeah, check this out. It is basically it has blown past this resistance here, and I think it's going to be going up towards $1, in my opinion, in a few months or I think in a few weeks, but not investment or financial advice because it can obviously come down. It can happen. Yeah, so let me show you guys the all-time chart, guys. So they've been working on this platform or the layer one since a very long time, guys. This is September 20, yeah, 21. It went down. They were working here. They were working at this time. And I found it around here, guys. I think it was, yeah, 0.028. I found it here. And it was one of my best finds at that time because the RWA narrative wasn't building up at that time. I was just looking around various new categories because Metaverse had picked up. I was just going around searching CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap for the new narrative. What is the new narrative going to be? AI picked Steam, and I missed that because although I'm working on a thesis on artificial intelligence, I didn't think that the AI bull run or the AI rally is going to be coming so soon. I thought it is going to be coming around 2028, but ChatGPT and AI really picked up. So after that, I was just going around and I found it here, guys. So it has been building since a long, long time. It is not just working on hype or a new trendy word, RWA. So this is why I think it stands a good chance to do well as a project as well as a platform for real estate tokenization as well as other RWA tokenization initiatives. Guys, one thing I find a bit odd now because when I first found out about Rio, I thought that almost the 55 million tokens were in circulation and the other were going to be released over time. So if there are RealView community members watching this video, let me just you guys can hit the comment section and let the community know or let me know as well that is this true? Are only 8.76% tokens in circulation at the moment? Because when I last saw, or I remember, if I remember vividly or correctly, I think 55 million tokens were in supply, guys. So do let me know about that, guys. Even if a fully diluted market cap is 33 million, so even if you look at the entire supply, it isn't much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 33 million. So still good. Now let me just show you the website in a nutshell, guys, because they do not have much updates on their X handle. This is one of the elements that I do not like about Relio, or else I would have covered it much more in our groups. Let me check out if I can space it out, if the community posts good threads in the future, because at the moment I do not see much threads, to be very honest. The future of private equity is digital. So yeah, Bloomberg, US Fund, Valentis, Race Capital. Yeah, these are the old press releases 2022. Not much has, they haven't updated the website much. I haven't visited it in a while. Let me check out the products. Let us look at the products. So this is their network, guys. Let us check out network. It is basically a layer one, guys. So yeah, the network for RWAs, a layer one multi-chain Web3 ecosystem focused on the issuance and management of digitally native real-world assets. Explore the network, learn about the network alpha launch, 10 things to know about the Realio network, Realio network staking, you can stake it. Let us look at the Realio network, 10 things. This was written back in March 13, 2023, written by Kirstine Kelman, so shout out to her. So what 10 things can we learn? So yeah, when will the Realio network launch? It has already launched April 7th. Is the Realio network a proof of stake or proof of stake or proof of work blockchain? Basically, what they mean to say. The Realio network is built using the Quorum BFT proof of stake consensus engine, which provides a secure, scalable, and energy and efficient algorithm. So it is good that it is energy efficient as well, because in the future these environmental groups are going to be pressurizing the blockchain industry tremendously. Validators who born native RIO or RST, this is their security token, guys, can participate in the consensus process by broadcasting votes which contain cryptographic. Okay, is the Realio network Web3 enabled? Yes, it is. It sure is. Okay, who will control the Realio network? Validators and the delegators control the Realio network, built for the community. So basically, it is built for the community. It is working on decentralization and all the that it is built on that spirit. Can you stake on the Realio network? Absolutely. Validators secure the Realio network by bonding RIO or RST and participating in the consensus process. Can you mint on the Realio network? The Realio network asset token module will enable the creation of digitally native and real-world assets in a secure, decentralized process. So these real-world assets are going to be traded and with compliance and regulation on their platform, guys, on their network. What chain does the Realio network support? As an EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain, the Realio network will launch with Ethereum support and then plans to release native bridges between Algorand and Stellar. What can be built on the Realio network? Now, this one is cool and important. Similar to the dApps on the Ethereum blockchain, a wide variety of applications can be deployed on the network. So basically, there can be dApps and there can be various applications that can be deployed on the Realio network, obviously, mainly because of the EVM support. Anything from financial applications, tokens representing real-world assets, and metaverses such as the Realioverse. So guys, metaverses are also going to be built on top of Realio network. So this gives it another edge, as the metaverse is going to be showing people their belongings or the real estate and real world assets vividly in terms of graphics and whatnot. The potential is huge. Creativity is huge. The Realio team has several product ideas that will depend on the network. So yeah, what makes the Realio network unique? The network is distinct in that it features a native dual token public proof of stake consensus mechanism. Okay, what other projects is Realio planning with the launch of the network? The Realio network will support the forthcoming pre-owned wallet app, a non-custodial multi-chain DeFi wallet app built on Realio's blockchain infrastructure. So guys, this is Realio network, and in my opinion, because of the longevity, guys, because of the longevity, I think it stands great chance to tokenize real world asset in general and real estate in particular, because I think, as the article was suggesting, it is not going to be easy, guys. Real world asset tokenization, real estate is not going to be easy, and I think Realio stands a good chance, but they need to update the community a bit more. So okay, they're doing these updates, but more their X handle is a bit. Let me just show you guys. They do not update the progress as much. I do not like this. This is November 9th. Now check this October 20, October 26, October 18, October 17. So not much updates. Like yeah, they do it like on a monthly basis, but I think they should update it a bit more, because check it out, we're already in September or August. So yeah. So guys, what do you think about Realio Network? Do you think it has potential to grow in the future and become one of the hub of real estate tokenization and real world asset tokenization? Do you think it has potential, or the lack of team updates and communication is going to be a bit of a blockade or a barricade in terms of the progress of the growth of the project, guys? So hit the comment box below to let me know your opinions on Realio Network. So if you like this video, folks, do hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe, basically. And folks, if you're interested in any of these other coins as well, make sure to subscribe for regular videos and hit the bell notification for reminders. And like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.